Students, today we are going to discuss the electric field lines. Electric field lines. Now, if you take a positive charge, lines of force emerging from the positive charge, it is emerging or emanating, right, from positive charge. Positive charge is what? Greater than 0. They will put like this. Okay, positive charge. For the negative charge, how does it look? Because it is coming out. And for the negative charge, it is going inside. That is terminate. Terminate at the negative charge. It is terminating at negative charge. Right? Emitting or originating, this word originating at positive charge and terminating on the, not earth, on the emanating from, emitting from, on the negative charge, that is Q is less than 0. Right? Now if you keep a positive charge here, both positive and negative, it emanating from positive charge and terminating at negative charge. You draw another line, right? It goes like this, Now it is coming out. It is entering. See, it is going and coming. Understood? This is going out, this is entering. Here also entering. Here leaving. To sketch this is Q is greater than 0. This is Q is less than 0. Now these lines of force. For this they may ask you to draw the 1 mark. This is also for 1 mark, they will ask you. This is also 1 mark. Now, what is line of force? This is line of force or electric field line. It is an imaginary line. It is an imaginary line or curve. This is the line here. Here an imaginary curve along which an isolated positive charge. See this word isolated positive charge, move or tends to move. Can you follow? Therefore, what is line of force? For the definition, if they ask you, for 1 mark, they ask. What are the things is important? Imaginary line or a curve along which an isolated positive charge move or tends to move. An isolated positive charge, keep it. It want to move in this direction. Now I want to find electric field at this point, say A. What you have to do? Draw a tangent. This is electric field at A. Now I want to find electric field at B. What you have to write? Draw a tangent. This is electric field at B. Therefore, you take any point P. What is the direction of the electric field? The direction of the electric field at that point is tangent drawn at that point. Tangent. These and all comes under entrance exams. Entrance exams are NEET. Therefore, what is electric lines of force for 1 mark? Electric lines of force is an imaginary line or curve, or if you want you can write smooth curve, you can write. It is a smooth curve along which an isolated unit positive charge move or tends to move. See, each word is important. Therefore, you refer your notes or guide or teacher's textbook. You write on your own. You understood the idea, is it not? Therefore, what is electric lines of force, you know, right? Another thing, if each point, suppose this is one particular point, electric field is unique. Suppose here two lines of force never intersect. This is one line of force. This is electric line of force. It is not possible because at this point you have to draw a two tangent at this point. Therefore, which is not at all possible. Therefore, no two outright, no two electric lines of force intersects. Okay, this is another one mark. See, this is one mark, and sketch also they will ask you to do this one mark. Suppose how to draw this, both are positive. Both are positive. Q is greater than 0, Q is greater than 0. How? It is coming out. Here also it is coming out. Here it will repel, is it not? Here also it is repel. Here also repel. Here also it repel. Okay? Right? Similarly, negative also. If both sides are negative, what will happen? Repel. Sometimes this is source. What is it? Source. This is sink. Next, another point. If you take the surface, any surface, the line of force is always, it is positive, you know, if it is positive, line of force is always perpendicular to the surface. Therefore, electric lines of force is always perpendicular to the surface. Then what about the negative charge? If it is negative charge, again what? It is also perpendicular. Understood? Perpendicular only. Therefore, this is also one character. It's for one mark, the last. Now, all these are properties. Okay. Another property is, suppose there is a, within the hollow sphere, here charges are there. Positive charge, this is positive charge, it is hollow. Electric field, see, it is coming out, it is entering here, right? Here, suppose if there is a hollow sphere, electric field is going inside and coming out, but you don't find any field line of force inside. You don't find any lines of force inside the conductor, the hollow conductor. Okay. Now they may ask you properties of electric field. What is the question they may ask you? Electric field and properties. Either 1 mark or 2 mark. Maximum they will ask 3 mark. Okay. Thank you.